What's up guys, welcome back to this week's video. First of all, we want to give a massive thank you to the viewer who stopped by and dropped off these awesome Snap-on mugs. You know who you are?
Yeah, thank you very much.
If you have seen our Instagram post this week, you'll see that we got a brand new MIG welder. Today's video, we're going to put that to good use.
Yep, we're going to weld up these sills and test fit our new side skirts.
But first things first, we're going to finish our tea.
Let's get it.
That's good. Cold tea is awesome.
So the first thing we're going to do is get the whole area cleaned up, any bad metal cut out, new metal welded in.
So that's a new bit of metal clamped in place. I'm not so good at welding right now because I'm still learning and I've not done it much, so I'm going to let my dad do this part.
So we've had a bit of a problem. We've had to down tools on the Lupo.
Yep. Unfortunately, the home-built cooker broke, so we've had to nip down to Corey's and grab a new one. So that's us loaded up. Let's head back, fit the oven, and then test fit the side skirts on the Lupo. Guys, so a while back, we picked up a ton of free car parts, and they came with 2 sets of side skirts. Now we've been trying to decide on which pair to go, and we finally decided to go with the red ones because we thought that the grey ones were slightly too JDM for the Volkswagen, so we're going to keep those for the drift car. But of course, they're not standard Volkswagen side skirts, so they're going to need modified to fit. But that just means that we've got unique side skirts, no one else is going to have them, and we've done it on the cheap. And remember, if you don't already follow us on Instagram, check out the link in the description because you get an inside scoop on the videos before YouTube. Okay, so to test fit these skirts, we're going to be using some self-tappers and some washers. This will allow us to line the holes up, get them drilled and cut it down to size. And then when we take them off for paint, we can drill the holes out properly and fit the correct fasteners. So that's this side skirt test fitted and it looks awesome. All we need to do now is make the end cap and get the other side done. But the whole having to go get the cooker and fit it has delayed us. So rather than uploading today, we're going to upload tomorrow. Hope you guys appreciate it. We don't want to post a video half done and rushed, so we'll see you guys in the morning. So it's the next morning, let's get the side skirt done and the end caps done, and let's get the video uploaded.
Right guys, now we've got the side skirts test fitted, we've cut the ends off them so they no longer have end caps. They're cleaned up, prepped and ready for new ones. I've taken a template at the end of the side skirt. I'm going to transfer it twice onto this piece of plastic. Then we'll bond this onto the ends using epoxy resin. And then I'm going to fiberglass over the top of them to give them a bit of extra strength.
So for this, we're going to be using 100 grams of epoxy resin and 2% catalyst. Now, you want to work quick because this stuff sets really fast.
So that's them trimmed and they've had a rough sand. Now I'm going to put them back on the car. I'm not going to do the final bodywork on them at the moment because we might need some alterations still when we test fit the wide arches. So we're not doing that today, that'll be for another video. But let's get these back on the car and see how they look.
That's it, they're done, they look amazing. We'll finish the body work when we test fit the arches. But that's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel, help us so we can do bigger and better projects in the future. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.